What up, YouTube? Today is leg day, and we're gonna first start off with a warm-up set on the leg press, and then we'll jump into leg extensions. So I'm just gonna do this to get nice and warmed up. And a good stretch on the hamstrings. All right, feeling pretty good. Let's move on to leg extension. So last time I did these single leg extensions, I did 15 reps at 175, and the jump up on this is 190. So I think I'm ready. A couple weeks back, I couldn't even move it. But after doing the 175 several times, I think I'm pretty much ready for it. All right, here we go. Well, I'd say that. Maybe if I get it going. Okay. Yeah, if I let it go all the way back, it's not even moving. But I was able to get 8 or 9 if I start it up with the other leg. Ooh, it's pretty nasty. I'm feeling it all right here on the little teardrop area. Ooh. Let me write this down real quick. All right, now let's do our working set on leg press. So last time I did the leg press was 12 reps to failure. So I got to beat that today. All right. All right, here we go. 16. Holy moly. So I learned from my last workout and made sure I had plenty of carbs today to fuel these big movements. Whew. Yeah, so before I do calf raises, I'm gonna take maybe 3 minutes to let my heart rate go down. All right, it's been several minutes. My heart rate's back down. Ooh. I'm thinking about doing one more calf exercise. I saw something online where they used the lion leg curl for seated calves. I kind of want to try it, see how it feels. That'll be the last exercise for today. So I have no idea how this is going to feel or if it's even possible. So I'm going to just start fairly light. The way they did it was they were kind of like this. Actually, not bad. I think they had some kind of plate though, so you had some kind of stretch at the bottom. Pretty sure that's what they did. Let me see. I'm gonna check. All right, so I got my little wood block. See how it works. And maybe I do it like this. All right. I definitely think I can go heavier. I can try like 80. See how it feels. Honestly, I might have to add these in. Even though it's not part of the original hit, these do feel nice. Ooh. Curious how heavy I could go with it though. I'm getting pretty low with my glucose. Try 140. The only thing is the setup is trying to get underneath it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, that's different. Yeah, my legs are shaking, which means glucose is pretty much done. But pretty good pump off that, for sure. Woo! Workout complete. I made proper adjustments for this one. I made sure I had plenty of carbs before the workout. Today I had 2 bagels, a New York strip steak, some spinach, and a scoop of creatine. So I felt pretty good today. So leg day complete. The next workout will be Thursday. So today's Monday, leg day. Yep, so Thursday. And it'll be shoulders and arms, which I'm excited for. It's been a minute on those. And yeah, for round 3, I'm very curious about the results during this round because I'm going to be working out a little bit more frequent. I'll have 2 days of rest before I go back. If you've been following the channel, round 1 and 2, I did 3 days of rest, which was nice. And every time I went back, I had made some strength gains. So it definitely worked, but I want to find the sweet spot when it comes to frequency. I notice even when I just do a 1-day rest in between workouts. So if I did a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I would make some progress. But I think back then I was doing 2 sets. Right now I'm doing 1. So I'm still doing a lot of experimenting and playing around and seeing what works. Also, let me know in the comments below what's your current split looking like. And don't forget, in the description below, I have a link to my website. On there, you can fill out a form and work with me directly one-on-one. I will help you with your fitness goals, whether that's losing weight, building muscle, whatever it is that you want to do. Reach out to me and I would love to help you out. And we will see you in the next one.